Happy October, everybody. We're gonna start off October season, the spooky season. With a bowl. We're going to make a coconut macaroon. We're gonna make it spooky season approved by putting little chocolate spider webs on it. We're going to try our best at that. But this recipe is only 3 ingredients, and so I'm not really sure how it's gonna go, but one of the ingredients is a half of a 14-ounce can of condensed milk. So, I mean, you can't go wrong with that, right? Coconut and condensed milk. But that's literally all it is coconut and condensed milk. It doesn't have flour or vanilla extract or a pinch of salt like the other one, so I'm kind of like nervous. This is what it's supposed to look like. The one that we're gonna make. I'll put the picture up next to it. But this is the one I wanted to make. I wanted to make this one, but it didn't. We don't have all the ingredients, so I don't know. Should we make that one anyways?
What do you mean?
You can screenshot the instructions, and I'll put the link in the description down below. $3.50. Okay, preheat for $3.50. In a large bowl, combine together the sweetened shredded coconut with the sweetened condensed milk. Are you excited?
Mm-hmm. Excited to eat it.
I don't even know if we'll have enough of this recipe.
It doesn't look like it.
Already going downhill, we don't have enough coconut. But then, condensed milk. So we use half of this. But should I use less than half since we didn't have all the coconut and we'll just have less cookies?
Yeah. Yes.
This is so exciting.
What?
I love condensed milk.
Spoon, baby.
Didn't we have one little thingy?
You almost poured it all over the floor.
Did I?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
This is probably like half. Okay, I guess we're gonna mix it now. Oh, your head's too tall. You gotta back up. Look, I'll get forward. Also wore a spooky shirt today. You gotta back up a little bit. Your head's cut off. Too much spookiness. Oh no.
We lost some precious coconut.
Some precious coconut. Is this considered made in the air? It's not on the table. Floating bowl. Wait, move your hand. Ooh, floating bowl. But this one only says 3 ingredients, which is coconut, condensed milk, and the chocolate spider webs that we're gonna make on it.
Okay.
But how can that be? Like, I feel like we need to put like flour or something in this, huh?
I have no idea. I don't know.
This is like our cauldron. Putting a cauldron in. Ooh, yeah, you go that way and I'll go this way.
Cauldron.
Cauldron.
Cauldron safe.
My brain is unsatisfied that it's only 3 ingredients and 2 right now. I want to make other things.
It's just gonna be,
I want to be pish poshing it all in
It's just
there.
gonna be like baked coconut.
I know, but so was the other thing and it had so many more ingredients. Let's ask Alexa how to make it, and if she tells us more than a couple of ingredients, then we're gonna put it in there. Hey Alexa!
To make 12 servings of coconut macaroons, you need 5½ cups plain coconut, 2/3 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 14-ounce unsweetened condensed milk, and 2 teaspoons vanilla extract.
Vanilla. 1/3 plus 1/3 is 2/3.
Oh yeah.
So should we just do half? Or less than half? We'll do less than half. Stir. Stir it all up in there.
Going too fast.
It's barely even coming out.
That's what she said. Don't you dare.
more sturdy.
Yeah. That's what she said. Stir it all up. Wait, what does this? I was thinking I was doing a SpongeBob,
What are you talking about?
but I think Hannah Montana does that too.
No.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll see you guys in an hour. It would be like a millisecond for you
Peace.
guys. Let's show them what it looks like.
It looks like hash browns.
No hate on hash browns. I just didn't want my dessert to look like hash brown. Did what look like? I'm gonna scoop it with a tablespoon and form the little ball. Ask me what my fun facts are.
What are your fun facts?
My fun facts are that in the 1800s, I think that's what it said. I don't really remember. But they originally made these with crushed almonds instead of shredded coconut. I mean, I guess you could do it with crushed almonds still. But how fun is that? And then I had another fun fact that I learned during our little hour refrigeration time. But I forgot what it was, and I told Chris to remember, but he forgot what it was too. So we made 12. Show them the 12. We're gonna put that in the oven for this amount of time, because I forgot how much time. And then we'll come back when it's done. We don't know if it's 10 minutes.
You said
I said about.
look good.
Do they smell like pizza to you?
No.
We got chocolate chips. And we're gonna cook them for 30 seconds. And then we're gonna take it out, stir it, cook it for 15. Now we're gonna try to make this spider webs. Are our spider webs.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's pretty good. 8.5.
You think these are 8.5?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this little cooking show that we had going on. Happy spooky season, everybody. Stay safe. You got anything to say?
Peace and love.
Okay.